Hey guys, it's Yvette. How you doing? It's Saturday. I got like a million boxes to open, and so I'm gonna get started right away. I have received the sew sampler, and I have to get this video made quick, otherwise everybody will beat me, and there's tons of competition out there, people opening the sew sampler. So let's get it open. All right, I opened it up and it says Neighborhood Block Party. Okay, and this kind of makes me think of that barn block that they're doing, so I'm not sure how this is going to go. Let's just check it out. Okay, it says, let's have a bake sale. They're doing the cake mix. Okay, enjoy 20% off all cake mix and cupcake mix recipes, plus the cake mix quilt book. Okay, so they'll let you have all that. And then this coupon, of course, you can't combine it with other offers. You can't use it on sale items, and other exclusions may apply. One-time use, sew sampler members only, and it expires August 5th. Okay, so that sounds good. I'll keep that there. This is looking very interesting in here, guys. Okay, so here is the little booklet that we get for the neighborhood block party. It tells us all the stuff inside, and we'll get to that later. Okay, so we have a Thimble Blossom pin from their pin collection, and it's got the little house on it, so that would be a block party. And let's see, I always hate how there's like some glare, so let me take that off, take it out and see. So there it is, and of course it's got like that glossy finish, so I am trying to hold it so that you don't get that glare again. So actually that's cute. I know that there are some of you guys who don't appreciate getting the pins, and I do understand that. But I actually like the pins, so this is cool with me. I mean, I do think that they sometimes charge way too much for the pins, but you know, they're going to charge what they're going to charge, and you decide if you want to pay or not. I mean, I don't know how else to look at that. So there we go. We got a pin. The next thing is there's an art bin. It's a clear case, and it's 5-inch square. So yeah, let's see what's inside that. Okay, so it looks like it's been taped shut after they put the stuff in it. So let me take the tape off. Okay, this is a nice bin. I love these bins. Oh, and it doesn't have a flat. It comes up like this and lifts off. Okay, and it looks like we have some cupcake mix recipes. I haven't seen the cupcakes yet, so I'm quite interested to see how these work. I've asked people like how they work, and you know, people like do tell you. Okay, so here's the square inside, which is actually kind of cool. And you make them with the 5-inch squares, and then, you know, they come down. And guess what? We got Vintage Holiday by Bonnie and Camille, and we have 2 charm packs. Count them, 2. So I'm thinking that this bin would hold 3 charm packs, as you could probably fit 3 in there and then put the lid on top. So as always, very excited about this Vintage Holiday. I was so excited for it to come out, and we're starting to get all of the Christmas fabrics coming out now, and I'm very excited about that. And this one in particular has lots of colors that I like. I don't typically go for like the regular red and like dark green or fur green, whatever you want to call it. But when it's colors like this with the teal and the pink, and then they'll have a pop of red, I do like that. Even the teal with red I think is really nice. So there's that. Put my little lid on. And we have, of course, the next barn block recipe, block number 3. And all the instructions inside. Doot, doot, doot. And we have a Cupcake Crossing quilt pattern, finish size 50-inch by 50-inch, and that's what it looks like. It says that it's a sew sampler exclusive. And they do have some finishing kits available if you'd like to make this quilt. And okay, so this quilt would be made, sewed up, whatever, using the cupcake recipes and the 5-inch squares. And it says, what else do you need? You would need another charm pack for background. You would need 3/8 of a yard background, 1/2 yard inner border, 3/4 yard outer border, 5/8 of a yard for binding, and 3 1/3 yards for the backing. Okay, and if you get their finishing kit, it includes all of that stuff. So when you get your Cupcake Crossing finishing kit, it includes background, borders, and binding. Okay, that is not the backing. It does not include the backing. So anyway, there's the quilt. It's actually quite lovely. And here it is, like just sort of in picture form, not an actual quilt, but like design form, I guess. Okay, so that's everything in the sew sampler. And actually, I think this was pretty cool. And just, Jelly Bean, do you want to tell everybody what you think? No? He just wants to go and like take a nap on top of the sewing machine. And I have another box to open. Of course, it's sitting right there and it's waiting. And he's like sniffing it. What is that, Jelly Bean? What is it, buddy? Oh, now he's looking at the light. Okay, so hopefully he'll stay there and, you know, become part of the next movie. And you guys let me know. What did you think about this month's box? I actually thought it was pretty cool. I mean, I'd rather get a useful bin, 2 charm packs, and, you know, the cupcake mix things. All very useful. You know, I think that was really cool, and I do appreciate the pen. I like the pen. I probably wouldn't want a pen like every month because, you know, that kind of like eats up your budget, so to speak. But I don't mind getting them every once in a while. I think they're kind of neat. And yeah, so I'm pretty happy with this box. I think it's really great, and I'm happy to get more vintage holiday. I mean, I know I'll be able to use it, and yeah, let me know what you guys think. Very anxious to know. Bye, guys. I'll see you in a bit.